If I were to do this, if I even could do it, I'd need a guarantee. How do I know you can deliver?
You don't, but I can.
The things that you're fearful of, they're nothing. It's all what if thinking. What if it does this? What if it doesn't do the shit you're afraid of? You've wasted fucking time.
I haven't even introduced myself. It's crazy. Some of you are seeing me even for the first time. Yeah, you've been hearing my voice, and I thought, you know what? Nah, man. I think I should build a better connection whereby you see the person that you are talking to, and I really appreciate those who are following me and watching my videos. I really, really appreciate that. Um, okay. Hi. First of all, I'm Neo, but you know me by PD Trades. I'm from Rustenburg. Uh, I'd say my trading journey started back in like 2018. But like many traders, it wasn't as smooth. Like it wasn't like a smooth ride like in the beginning, right? So for years, I struggled with like consistency and trying different like strategies, searching for like that missing piece. You know, that missing piece. So everything changed in 2022. You know, when I when I discovered ICT concepts. You know, that was like the turning point for me. The moment I realized that, you know what, real market structure really is. You know, liquidity, precision. You know, in trading. You know how it looked like. So, but even then, it wasn't, instant success. You know, I had to put in the work. You know, those sleepless nights, endless journaling. You know, watching hours of content. You know, and backtesting recklessly, like, and it was like an endless. Plus, you know how ICT videos, how many are there? You know, there's so many. So I really like said, you know what? If I die, I die, man. This is like what I've been waiting for, and I put in the work. I didn't set money as my main goal. Instead, I focused on gaining like real experience, mastering the craft, and developing like true consistency, you know. And in 2014, yeah, 2014, it all like came together, you know. I mean, 2024. Why am I in 2024? And in 2024, like came to this. This was the year I broke through, man. Like, so now I trade with like confidence, knowing that the work I put in has built a foundation that that will last me for a lifetime. My journeys prove that dedication, patience, and the right knowledge can truly change everything. I'm really fighting to be the best version of myself, especially in my trading, you know. So I built this YouTube channel to like build a connection with somebody. If I can maybe inspire someone out there, for someone who has started from like nothing, I had to learn on my own. And you know, YouTube was a way of making my own personal journey as a trader, as Neo, you know, just to live in memory, a journal, a virtual journal for myself and for my kid, for my son. And so I'm really excited for this year, most of all, man. I'm really excited for this year. I want to see what we got. I'm really excited for this year. So, yeah, that's me. If you wanna, if you feel like, hey, man, you wanna join me in this journey, please hit that subscribe button. Press that subscribe button, man. I'd highly appreciate that. I love trading. Trading to me, it's so way crazy, man. For me, trading, it's no longer just about making money. To be to be to be to be to be corrected. I've fallen in love with the adrenaline that it brings. You know, the puzzle that you have to solve each and every day. You know, the edge. You know, and it really helped me in understanding myself, understanding the person that I am. You know, get rid of FOMO. My mental strength, especially in my personal life. Trading also helped me like build those habits and actually made me the best version of myself. So for that, I'm really, 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 really grateful that I ventured into this career. You know, I love doing this. This is passion to me. This is my daily bread, man. I love this. So if you want to join me in this journey, please hit that subscribe button. And yeah. I'm just waiting now. Let me check the dollar. Yeah, I think we're gonna be bullish. I think we're gonna be bullish because the dollar seems to be showing us heaviness towards the sell side. We've just broken through that 15 minutes fair value. Let's see, because I want it to be treated as a. Oh, let me show you. This imbalance here. This is a 15 minutes BC. So I wanna see price closing below this imbalance here and use it as resistance to seek out this short-term low. So with that in mind, I want to see how we trade around this bullish order block. Remember, we've already done the damage here, so I'll prefer to see this low remain open like that. I don't want to see it being pushed because I'm more interested in those highs. But because we have FOMC, we might not actually get what we really want, but that's okay. I think I'll be live during FOMC. Oh. Yeah, it's raining. It is raining. Yeah. I thought, you know what? Maybe I could read a book while I'm waiting for Price to do his thing. Come on. That unwillingness to close below that bullish order block, it's nice. I would like to see that remain like that, so intact, right? That might not happen. I'm okay with that. So the whole of 930, right? We saw a bearish run. We are currently trading below the 930 open, and we've just had our 10 a.m. open as well. Okay. But nothing interesting for me to buy now. Nothing interesting for me to buy. You might actually experience a sloppy market just like yesterday, and during the PM session, that's when we like start seeing that explosive moves. You know, those heavy candles. But then it's okay. If I don't get any trade right today, I mean, I'm okay with that. It's good. Wishing heavy. Jeez. Nothing interests me to buy at the moment. So if you were trading the first presented fair value gap, that would be a nice trade, but I'm not interested. I'm not interested at all. It's a nice scout. It's a nice one. But I would like to remain with my bullet bias for now. But because we have FOMC, so we might experience a sloppy market. I think now I'm just gonna put my interests on this wick. And basically we're looking how if we can trade so I don't want to see us actually taking out the short-term low. We could do that, but I don't want to. I would like. I wouldn't want to see that happening. That's not for my best interest because I'm seeing a bearish dollar, right? So I would want to see a bullish NQ. So this wick has my attention, and most importantly, the consequent encroachment. I would. I don't want to see us closing below the consequent encroachment of this wick. Now we get it. Now I get it. see how close they are, the consequent encroachment of that width and the consequent encroachment of this imbalance here. So I'm more interested. I can remove this, it's okay. I'm more interested in this consequent encroachment. Do I want to see these lows being served? No, I don't want to see that. I prefer not to see that happening. If we are really seeking bullish price, right? I would prefer this low not being served. That could happen though, but for me, I would prefer not that. I would prefer to see that not happening. It was a nice one, very nice. I don't wanna lie. It's time to wait. I guess I'm waiting, right? Nothing for me at the moment to chow. That's okay. Blah, 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 blah. And we could sweep out sell side. My God, my God. Yeah, I would prefer to stick out of this one. If we do sweep out sell side liquidity, I'm just gonna wait for FOMC. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for FOMC. If we do actually sweep out this sell side, nah. Crazy. Yeah, we are fighting to be consistent. We are fighting to be consistent. Seems too quiet, right? Seems too quiet. Man, seems like my battery is about to, my camera battery is about to die. It's crazy. I'll have to charge it, but at least you saw me, right? At least you saw me. Let me charge it. Then when I finally get an opportunity to start trading, then I'll go live. I'll switch it on again. So for now, let's see. So let's see if we can expect to see speed. If we can do, if we do see speed out of the new week opening gap, I'm looking for a buying opportunity. But for now, I'm just gonna remain cautious and patient as well. Let's see now if we can offer a support. We also have this bullish order block as well. I'll take a buy. I'll buy it. Then my stop loss will be just below this bullish order block. Then my TP will be this high. And that's it. Let's see. Telling this high, but this is only this first entry is just my paper trading account. This is not my real account. On my real account, I'm only gonna go for another entry once you break through the new week opening gap. For me, a high probability trade, right, is only gonna be above the new week opening gap. Yeah, I go stopped out. Yeah, I thought we could start seeing a rally, but was I saw a low, high, low, low, then we had an explosive move up. So I was buying this inversion fair value gap. Stopped me out, but that's okay. Because of FOMC, we might see a choppy market during the AM session. Um, I'd prefer to trade the PM session, especially on my real account. So right now I'm just paper trading. I didn't put a trade on my real account, but I saw this as a potential, a nice low hanging fruit. So let's see if we can get there. I'm gonna trade the PM session. The real account, I'm gonna trade the PM session. I'm gonna look for an entry, at least after FOMC. Stop loss. Can we just get break even? How many points is this? 30 points. At least the consequent encroachment, 45 points. Okay. Should I put my stop loss below this bullish order block? Probably. Just for safekeeping. Yep. We are inside that first presented fair value. So that rejection, so we might see a retracement. Let's see if we can close above it. Nah, extending. I'm extending. What should be just below? Let's put it for a block. Let's go. I'll just put it below this first presented favor again. I think it's fine. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Can the first presented family gap now act as our support? It's possible. It is possible. Once we break through this high, right? Oh yes, man, I'm definitely trading my real account now, and I'm targeting that high, right? But for now, I'm just waiting to see how do we close above that high, and if we do, I'm going for that high as my potential draw on liquidity. But because we also have the short-term high, those are points where I'm gonna take partials in case I close above the new week opening gap. Those red lines, as it's where I'm gonna take my partials if I'm inside a trade, but most importantly targeting that buy side liquidity. So For now, I wanna see if the first presented Fairville Gap act as my support, and we should run for those highs, or I just get stopped out. I got stopped out. That's okay. It's okay. At least I got something, right? At least we got something. Anyway, like I said, a high probability trade for me is if we close above this high and we come and trace this new week opening gap. I think that's when I'm gonna look for a buying opportunity again, targeting those red lines. Those are my targets. But anyway, it was a nice scalp. Nice scalp. Because right now, this is how we look on the 15-minute cycle. You see it? This is how we look. So it seems like it's not willing to trade above it. So that means you could see a continuation lower, seeking sell side liquidity, right? It's possible. But at least we managed to get ourselves a short scalp. Because we have FOMC, so I'm not really interested in trading before FOMC. I want to trade after the news. So this would have been a nice scalp though. This would have been a nice scalp. Let us go. That's why I said on my real account, um, that move I'm only gonna trade only if we close above the new week opening gap, because it could still act as resistance. So same again below this low. Then I'm targeting this relatively poor highs. Yeah. Let's see if we can target to those relative equal highs. Now, this be treated as a inversion favored gap? I would like to see that if I'm really bullish. So meaning I would like to see us closing above the high of this candle here. Now if we don't, I'm just gonna tighten up my stop loss. I love the speed. can focus on this fair value gap instead now. Okay, then my stop loss will be just below the low of this candle here. Just in case I'm offside, because we still have that new week opening gap, it could still act as my resistance, so it's highly favorable that I just support my risk, because I'm really just planning to trade on the afternoon set. But this is my live account. This one I've just traded it on my live account, but I put in like low risk. I didn't wanna put in like a lot of risk. So in this account there isn't much risk in it. I put on a lot side of 0.02. Right now I'm making like 120 something rands, so that's okay, it's fine. Now we also have this small fair value gap. So I'm just gonna take my stop loss, put it above this inversion fair value, because I still want to give it like space to breathe, just in case if it decides to like go against me. But like I said, I'm targeting this short-term high here. So my stop loss is just below the low of this candle here. So if I get stopped out here, I'll be stopped out on my real account as well. But I'm okay with that. I'm not bothered. I'm not bothered. If I'm really bullish, right, I want to treat this as my breakaway gap, so I'm focused on this imbalance here. This one. But most importantly, I want to see us breaking through the new week opening gap. We have that inversion fair value. Can it act as my support? I hope so. Trying to trade in between two PD arrays. But I would love to see us breaking through the new week opening gap. So we wait and see. for me, as long as I'm trading below the new week opening gap, these are low probability trades for me. So it's like I should make sure that my risk is tight and I protect my profits. I'm not encouraging any losses at all. But if this gap remains open, right, and we break through the short-term high, I'm targeting those highs now. This is a real account. The one that I'm trading now, it's a real account. This move here. But I'm managing the stops like crazy because we are still trading below the new week opening gap. Going to the bathroom, I'm coming. I'm back. And what's going on? What is going on? It's pretty quiet, but yeah, let's go. Let's go. I'm actually in the trade. If you can see, I'm inside the trade. Just show you. Inside the trade. Let's see, I have to give it that focus. Okay, inside that trade. A minute as we speak. There you go. Okay, TP hit, but I'm still on inside on my real account. I'm gonna buy that as I'm gonna buy this. Thank you for that. Now my stop loss will be below the high of this candle. This will act as my bullish order block, bullish breaker. So my stop loss will be just below the new week opening gap. And what are we targeting? I'm targeting that high there. Just modifying my stop loss. Okay, I'll go in with another one as well. I wanna see the new week opening gap acting as my support. And I'm targeting, my first target is this high, short-term high here. That's my first target. Second target is this high. Third target is this one. But my main drawn liquidity is buy side liquidity. So let's go. Let's go. Okay, let me just remove some of these things here just to minimize the noise. Let's see if we can let's see if we can get here. I'll take my first partial once we get here as well. Then I'll let another one I'll trail it up until if I will reach there. I don't know if I will, but if I do, I'm gunning for that as well. Stop loss just here. Yeah. $120.6. 120.6. 120.6. I'm trying to trail my stop here on my phone, so now it's freezing. I don't know what's the problem. I got stopped out. I got stopped out with I mean like 175 friends. uh, well, it's something, right? But the reason that um I decreased my lot size because I was still not sure if we could really break through the new week opening gap. So that's why like I made sure that my stop loss was like tight, tight, tight. But anyway, in case I made like 175 bucks, it's okay. I wanted to make like 500 or like 600 rands, but it's okay. It's a nice entry though. It's nice. I was trying to like put my stop loss here, but my phone is freezing. Like, man, what happened now? It's crazy. But anyway, it's fine. I accidentally like put my stop loss somewhere like here on my real account, but I wanted to put my stop loss like below the consequent encroachment of this daily. I mean this new week opening there, but it's fine. I got stopped out on my real account. It's cool. It's cool. My phone is freezing up. I don't know why. Oh man, you can't go fast. I like it to see, but it seems like you can make me focus. I don't know if you can see. So since I've started with my 10,000 rands account challenge to reach my goal was to reach like 50,000 to 100,000 rands. So I got stopped out, but I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. So since I opened up I started the challenge for myself. I want to take this 10,000 rands account to 50,000 rands. That is like my goal for 2025, at least to 50,000 or 100,000 rands. But if it's possible, I can go even further. So these are all my trades. Isn't much yet. I haven't traded like yet. These are like warm ups, so if I can say. But let's go. So right now, this is I made 75 rands. Today I made 175 rands, which is okay. It's cool. Like the probabilities were not there. I just took a risk, you know. But because I'm really just waiting to see if how FOMC trades. I think then I'm gonna feel comfortable taking trades afterwards. So I'm gonna trade the PM session. But then this is my account. This is a real account. If you must know, this is a real account. And I just made 75 point account. So it's cool. It's cool. Still got like so much time. Since I've opened this account, I've made like 440 rands. I was just testing out lot sizes, because I wanted to get like a nice proper lot size that I can feel comfortable trading with, right? So yeah, this is my account, and yeah, I think I'm gonna call it. I can close this one. So I'm just gonna call it a. I'm just gonna call it a day. I'm just gonna call it a day now. So I think it's cheers from my side. It's cheers this side.